to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'd love it if you subscribe and join my little family. If you're a returning subscriber and friend, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for subscribing. Today is a super exciting video. I am partnering with Gourmande Girls. Their products are amazing and I just have to show you what they're like. I got a beautiful palette here, the Batgirl Icta palette. This is what it looks like. Look at these stunning colors. It's what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. Everything is Gourmande Girls on my eyes. I'm using this silver Gourmande Girls glitter liner. It is beautiful. It has like holographic glitters in it. And this Gourmande Girls lipstick, I don't have it on right now because it doesn't go with the eye look, but it's definitely beautiful. It smells a little bit like vanilla. It's super creamy. It's a beautiful warm tone. It doesn't dry your lips out. It's just stunning. So here's a little swatch of the glitter liner. Hopefully you can see it there. It's more just glitter than color. I also want to mention it comes in this beautiful box. You get a little card that says, "Hi, beautiful Michelle. Thank you for helping me with my company. I appreciate you. Love, Christina." The glitter liner came in this beautiful holographic packaging. And the lipstick comes in this little black sleek box. I also want to mention, which I thought was really amazing and professional, is that Christina packages her products with lots and lots of bubble wrap and those things that have like a big air pocket in them to stop any of your products from breaking. My daughter popped that on me because she was having fun playing with it, but it's definitely packaged really nicely to make sure you get your products safe and in beautiful condition. Okay, so let's get to the swatches of the Batgirl Icta palette. We're gonna go in with the blue, the green. These are the only two metallic shades and the rest are matte. Okay, and then we want a purple, a blue, a green. These shadows feel like a cream shadow. That's how creamy they are, but they're definitely powder. Gotta get yellow, red, another burgundy, and a pink. And two more, the brown and the orange. Here's all the swatches right here. You can see how beautiful they are. A couple of the colors maybe needed a second swatch just to bring up the total vibrancy, but it didn't take much. They blend beautifully on the eyes. They blend together really beautifully. I had no issues with them. I have to go over with the James Charles palette sometimes 4 or 5 times to get the pigment that I want. So I am super happy with these. The pigment is great. The price is obviously way better and they're not tested on animals. I'm not shading James Charles palette. I love that palette as well, but I definitely think this is a great quality product. It's not tested on animals. It's a great price. And the woman who has started this company is an amazing person. So, you know, smaller indie companies is always nice to go with because you know that they really appreciate your business. I'm going to be doing a tutorial showing you exactly how I created this look, how these eyeshadows applied. I just want to quickly say thank you so much, Christina, for working with me and letting me try out your products. I appreciate it so much. They are so beautiful. I am not being paid to speak highly of this brand. I just really love it. So I had to show it to you, all my friends. They deserve to know when there's some good products out there that are good price. So I'm going to get into this tutorial and I'll be back when I'm finished. Let's see what kind of look we can come up with this gorgeous Batgirl Icta palette from Gourmande Girls. I'm going to maybe go in with a blue to purple to pink, like rainbow eye. Alright, let's go in with the blue. Start it right up here. Pigment is super nice, super soft. Now we're going to go in with the purple, right next to the blue. And then we're going to go in with this really pretty pink. I'm dying to try this out. I don't have any pink like that. Such a nice like mauvey pink. Looks pretty nice. Go back in with the purple. Let's cut this crease. I'm really attracted to these two shimmer shades. I just love beautiful metallic shades. So let's see how well those work. We're gonna take a nice fine detailer brush, go in with this gorgeous royal blue. Let's see how that looks on the lid. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Okay. It really doesn't take much at all to build up this shiny color. So stunning. I want every color in this type of formula, this shimmery metallic. Oh my god. Mattes are good, but I'm always so drawn to the sparkly colors. I'm gonna go in with this green right here. Let's see, for the inner portion of the eye. Oh my god. Christina, you did that. These metallic shades are stunning. Oh my god. I like the mattes too, but these metallics are really standing out to me. They shine. They're so just packed with pigment. I mean, I went over these colors to pack more of a punch, you know, 2 or 3 times, which isn't bad. I have to do the same thing with the James Charles palette. They're still very good shadows. They blend really nicely. I'm just obsessed with sparkly things. I'm loving this palette. It's beautiful. I definitely will be reaching for it all of the time. Yeah, that looks stunning. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this part blank and put the silver glitter liner there. So we're gonna go back in with some concealer. Yeah, that looks really cool. Okay, let's do the next side. I'm going with the green one first this time. Christina, do you have any palettes with shades like this in all of the colors? I really want like a beautiful purple one, a pink one. I'm dying to try the Gourmande Girls Sparkle Glitter Palette. It is so stunning. That's the next one on my list. Can't wait to try it. Let's go in with the blue. I'm not having really any fallout problems either. Oh, maybe a little. Let's see. If you don't tap off your brush. Nothing that doesn't just wipe away. Yep, it's gone. Nothing to complain about. Just tap off the brush. Alright. Trying to stay in the perfect line so I don't have to clean it up with concealer. That's the most tedious part of doing these complicated eye looks. A little concealer. Carve out that line. Right, let's go on with this beautiful silver, like holographic type liner. Let's see how this works. Very pretty. I would love to try some other shades. Okay, we're gonna use my favorite NYX liner in Nude Suede Shoes. All right, now we're gonna go in with the number 13 Gourmande Girls lipstick. Look at this beautiful color here. Oh, I don't know, it's very like vanilla. Oh gosh. This color is super pretty, doesn't really go with this rainbow eye. No, I don't think I'm gonna use this for this particular look. Feels very creamy. It's not dry looking. It's definitely my kind of tone of lipstick. It just doesn't go with this eye look. I think something more nude, more pale. We'll go in with the blue underneath here. Turn it into like a liner. Under here. And do a little bit of green on the inner portion of the lower rim. Little tiny detail brush. Let's go right into the inner corner. Oh, it's very nice. Very bright and colorful. Same on this side. Just trying to use as many colors as I can to show you how well they perform. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit of the silver glitter over top of the yellow, right in the inner corner. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Super colorful eye look like this. You don't want anything too dramatic on the lips. I don't know, do you want something like this? This is Maybelline's Nude Lust. Love these. Okay, I will definitely be doing more looks with this Gourmande Girls palette. It is beautiful. I want to do a next look with like these mauvey tones and these more warm tones so that I can pair it with this beautiful warm toned lipstick. So this is the final look I came up with. I think it came out really beautiful. The Gourmande Girls eyeshadows are very nice, very blendable, very pigmented. I definitely would recommend them. These colors are just so stunning. She has so many other palettes to choose from. If you're interested in this one in particular, it's called Batgirl Ikta. I have a promotion code for 25% off if you just put in the code PR. So her prices are already super affordable. This palette is on for only $23.50 right now. That's amazing. And then 25% off of that. She has so many different colors of glitter liners. They're gorgeous, easy to use, and these beautiful creamy vanilla smelling lipsticks. You can't go wrong. Her prices are great. She's an amazing, hardworking person that makes great quality products. If you want to check out any of these products or anything else she might have on her website, go to gourmandegirls.com. She's on all platforms, Facebook, Instagram, it's the same thing. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Christina, for working with me. I am loving your company and your products. They are so beautiful. And for anyone who's interested in seeing more of me, I will be doing more Gourmande Girls cosmetics looks, as well as many other makeup things on my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me, and until the next time, bye!